Hi friends, welcome back to Vachi Online Teaching. Today I'm going to talk about keyword research. Before getting into the topic, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button. Each subscription is an encouragement for me, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload new videos in the future. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will see what is a keyword. Okay, so from the word itself you can just understand that it is a key word, a word which is so important, just like how a key is to a lock. Okay, so we know that our internet is a vast resources of data. Our internet is having vast resource of data on all the subjects, on everything under the sky. Okay, so if you wanted to get data from that much vast resource, you have to give a particular word or a phrase which will take you to the pool of data. Okay, so that particular word, it is known as the keyword, or the important or the most important word or phrase in your content or in your website, or the most important word that you will provide to a search engine as an input, which is taking you to the information resource on the internet. That is known as a keyword, or you can say that it is acting like a torchlight leading you to the information in the internet. So you can say that keyword is a torchlight to access the internet's vast resource of data, or it is the most important word or phrase in your website or in your content, or it is the most important word that you give as an input to the search engine, which will take you to the vast resource of data over the internet. Okay, so that is a keyword, the most important word in your content. Okay, so this finding of the appropriate keyword, or the key, like presence of the keyword, or finding the most important keyword, is a primary step in search engine optimization. Suppose you're going to create a website for your company or for your institute, or for a particular, if you are a photographer, for your photographic work, you want to create a website which will attract the customers and people will contact you to means to work as a photographer. Or if you have a construction company, you have to create a website of it so that it will attract customers, and the customers will approach you. Okay, so suppose if you have a construction company and you're creating a website for it, and the website should contain a word which is the most probable word that the customers will search using the internet. Okay, that means, see, if I want to construct a house, okay, in my city, okay, so and I want to find out the best construction company, so I will be opening the internet, going to the search engine, and I will be typing the best construction company in so and so city. Okay, so that particular word or that particular input that is that the customer is typing should be there in your website, so that your website will be listed as a search result. Okay, so that is why keyword is so important. If the keyword matches only, you will be listed out and the customer will see your website, and the customer will contact you. So it is that much important. Okay, so this keyword finding out, the finding out of keyword is a very important step in when you create a content or when you create a website. Okay, so we are seeing how to choose the most appropriate keyword. Okay, so different methods are there to find out the keyword or to choose which keyword you have to use. Okay, so first method is using any keyword search tools. Second method is analyze your competitor keywords and try using that. Okay, and the third one is use Google suggestions. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So first we'll see how to find out the best keyword using a keyword search tool. Okay, so the search tool that I am introducing you is Ubersuggest. Okay, Ubersuggest. Yeah, So this is Ubersuggest, and yeah, just okay. If you want to start a construction company in India, so you can just type that construction company in India. Construction company in India, and choose India from this. See India, okay, and search, okay, and this is an overview, keyword overview. That means it will just list out what are the different keywords that is most used for this construction company in India search, or the construction company website in India are using. See, search volume is around 4,400 using this particular phrase or this particular keyword. Okay, and SEO difficulty is 7. That means if the SEO difficulty value is very less, then it is more easy. If you use that keyword in your content, then it is more probable that it will be listed out in the as a search output. Okay. And if you click on keyword ideas, see, then it will see construction company in India. That phrase or that keyword has a search volume of 4,400. That means it has a high search volume. That means more people are using this phrase to search the best construction company in a particular place. Okay, if I want to construct a house or a complex or something, then this phrase is most used by me or other customers like me as a input to the search engine. Okay, so it is good that if you use this particular thing in your content or in your website, then if a person is typing this as an input in search engine, then there is a high probability that your content is listed out as a search engine result. Okay, see, so these are the different this is how you can check if a particular keyword that you are thinking to put as a content in your website or in your page or in your video, is there a chance that it is listed out when someone is searching for that particular area of. Okay, so this is a best keyword. You can try changing or adding phrases also. So if you type best construction company in India, again search, then it will again list out the how much search volume it is having. So if it is very high, you can directly see it also has very high search engine search. See, best construction company in India, 1,000 search volume is still high. Okay, so you can use that. So you have a high probability that your content or your website will be displayed as a search result if someone is typing using this keyword. Okay, so this is how you can do using this particular tool. Okay, keyword search tool. And the next one is analyze your competitor keywords. That is how you can see construction companies in India. Okay, see, if you type, see another one, we'll see this is our construction. So this first displayed are like paid ads. Okay, see, this is what I'm telling. See, SR Construction, this is their website. SR Construction is a leading multi-trade company established in 2003. See, so all these keywords that your competitor company is using, just find out that, and accordingly you create keywords in your content. So this is the second possible way. Analyze your competitors and look for what keywords they are using in their content or in their website, and try creating a similar one or almost a similar one in your content also, so that there is a great probability that when the customers or when people are searching for that, your content is also displayed as a search result. This is the second method. And third method is using Google suggestion. That means when you type something, there is related searches will be seen in Google. This is Google is giving you as a suggestion, so you can use this one also. See, what we typed here was SR construction, but the Google is giving suggestions that SR construction logo, SR construction services, all these are different keywords used by different people to give us input to the search engine, and they are finding out the output accordingly. So analyze the Google suggestion is also analyzing the Google suggestion. Also, you can get an idea about what keyword you have to use in your website or in your content. Okay, so these are the different methods in which you can find out most probable or most appropriate keywords for your content, for your data, for your website, and you can make the content accordingly, so that there is a higher chance that your you will come as a like a search engine in output. Okay, when someone is searching for a particular thing, if you are using that particular keyword, then you have a greater possibility that you are listed out as a search result or output of the search, and there is a higher chance that there is more traffic into your website or into your content or into your video or into your data. Okay, so that is the importance of keyword. That is the importance of choosing the best keyword for your content. Okay, so try out all these tools and get more traffic into your content and grow. Okay, yeah, I think this is a useful video for that, and if you find it useful, just comment below on the comment section, and if you have any suggestions or anything, please do comment, mention that also, and subscribe to my channel. Wait for new videos. Thank you.